Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantal. If you are curious to see how I create this look with smoking eye, with pink lipstick, this is very beginner friendly. I will do step by step with the eyeshadow. And if you're curious how I do this look, keep watching. I will see you soon on the video. A beautiful palette from Anastasia, Soft Glam. And then I will switch with my favorite Juvia's palette, Warrior 2. And to do video, I will do smoking eye for beginning, very friendly. And I will go step by step. I will show you how I will do the eyeshadow. But like always, before I begin, I will say please subscribe, and you can also follow me on Instagram, on my Facebook, and of course you can leave comments about the video, and do not forget to hit the bell. Next time when I upload the video, you will not miss the video. I will say let's start with makeup tutorial. Like always with the makeup tutorial, I always begin to prime my eye. Therefore, I'm still using the concealer from L'Oreal, this one. The same concealer I will use to clean my eyebrow. I will start with the palette from Juvia's Warrior 2. And it's very important for smoking eye when you begin to apply the eyeshadow, always to begin with a light color as a base. Therefore, I will begin with this color, Judith, this one. And I will go further with this color, Zama. It's a little bit orange. And then we go with this one, Yamata. Now we'll do the same for the other eye. Now I have a good base for the smoking eye. I put a little bit brown and orange. And then I will continue with eyeliner. If I use eyeliner from Juvia's black one. And I will use this as base for smoking eye. I use the eyeliner as a base for the smoking eye. Now I will continue with the palette. I will use this color, the black one. This one. It is so important to take the time to blend the black color very good, and take your time for this. And I will use another brush, clean one, to blend the black color with the transaction color. Now we'll do the other eye. You see the beautiful transition from orange to black. To put a little bit of glamour at this eyeshadow here, for I have palette from Anastasia, Glamour stuff. Like you see, that is my favorite. I already use so much, but for today I will use two color. I will use this one to highlight the eyebrow, this one, and also this one. And now I will go for this one. That is rose pink. Now we'll continue with lashes. If I have beautiful lashes from UrnanChick Cosmetic Amsterdam, I will show you inside. Very beautiful. For the low lashes, I will use the same eyeliner, black one. If I have a small brush, I will use this color, Jamata, for the low lashes. Now we'll continue with mascara. If I have a mascara from MaxFactor. So now we'll continue with the rest of the face. If I have a beautiful foundation from L'Oreal, Cappuccino. I will now contour the face. And the same concealer which I use for the eyebrow, I will use that to highlight the face. With a bit beauty blender, I will blend everything out. And I will use the contour powder from Anastasia, medium, this one, and then I will use this one. For the lip, I will use the lip gloss from MaxFactor, Honey. I will use the palette from Anastasia to for the inner corner of the eye. Here I will use the same pink color, rose pink. And the same color I will use as highlighter for the face. I will finish this makeup tutorial to use the finishing spray. Here I have the finishing spray from Revolution. This was for today makeup tutorial, and if you enjoy this beautiful smoking eye look with a little bit pink accent, if you enjoy and you like that, I would say please give me a thumb up and leave also the comment what you think about the makeup. And thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you soon on my next video. Until the next time, big kiss. Bye bye.